My video tutorial is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the online scam that is coming from the website Gavens.live. Some people may pretty unexpectedly see these pop-ups by Gavens.live. Do not ever interact with these fake alerts. Such pop-ups, by the way, could be the result of certain adware enabled in your computer. If you see these pop-ups by Gavens.live, do not ever interact with them. Such pop-ups could be the consequence of some adware currently enabled in your computer. If you see these pop-ups by Gavens.live, the only correct conclusion is to leave this page and to disregard it. Such pop-ups are not related to any decent security warnings. What I recommend you to do is researching your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com and download the software, install it, and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.